Let us see in this video what will be the effect of practical low pass filter when white noise is passed through it. So the practical low pass filter will have mod hf square as 1 by 4 pi square 1 by 1 plus 4 pi square f square r square c square. So this is the practical low pass filter. You already know in the op amp subject that hf for this practical low pass filter is 1 by 1 plus j 2 pi f r c. Now if you take the mod hf square, you have to do the square root of 1 by square root of 1 plus 4 pi square f square r square, and mod hf square root will not be there. So this is mod hf square. Now to obtain the power spectral density of this noise, you have to multiply mod hf square with the SWF, that is white noise power spectral density. So white noise power spectral density is equal to n naught by 2, and mod hf square is 1 by 1 plus 4 pi square f square r square c square. Now this hf is limited for the band between the frequencies minus b to b. Now how this come, which is already covered in previous videos, and about the SWF equal to n naught by 2 is also covered in the previous video, so you can check those videos also. And this is the result we obtain when we pass the random process, wide sense stationary random process, through the LTI filter, LTI system, then we will get this result. So what I want to tell that if you want to find the PSD of this, you should know the PSD of this and mod hf square. If you multiply these two, you will get the PSD of NT. So you got the PSD as this one. Now we know that autocorrelation and PSD forms the Fourier transform pair. That means if you take the Fourier transform of autocorrelation, you will get the PSD. So we have some Fourier transform pair, which is a well-known identity, or we can say that the well-known Fourier transform pair, which we normally remember in signals and system, that e raised to minus a mod tau is equal to 2a divided by a square plus omega square, or 2a divided by a square plus 4 pi square f square. Now I have this one. So I will make this n naught by 2 1 plus 4 pi square f square r square c square like 2a by a square by 4 pi square f square, because I want to find the inverse Fourier transform, and I am going to use this identity, this one. So for that, here 4 pi square f square, to make it 4 pi square f square, we have to deduct, or we have to remove r square c square. So if you divide r square c square here, also here, you will get 1 by r square c square n naught by 2 by r square c square. Divide numerator and denominator by r square c square. So you got here 1 by r square c square plus 4 pi square f square. So this is matching now. Now a is a, from here you can write a as 1 by rc. Okay, so here you want 2a. So 2a, for that you can take 2 by rc. If you write 2 by rc, then remaining is n naught is remaining, divided by rc is remaining, divided by 2. So this is, you separate this one. So 2 extra you have taken 2, so make it as 4. You can do by any way. So here 2 by rc, because I want 2a, na? That's why 2 by rc. So remaining is n naught by rc. You have taken extra 2, so divided by 2. So you will get n naught by 4c, 4rc into 2a divided by a square plus 4 pi square f square. So a is equal to 1 by rc. So what is the inverse Fourier transform of this part? This part's inverse Fourier transform is e raised to minus A mod tau. So n naught by 4 RC as it is. So e raised to minus a is 1 by RC mod tau. So that is, you got Rn tau is equal to n naught by 4 RC e raised to minus tau by RC mod tau by RC. Okay, because a is equal to 1 by RC, and you want e raised to minus a tau. So if you plot this, you will get here n naught by 4 RC, and these exponential, both sided exponential is there. So what is the power of this? So power, you know that power is equal to Rn of 0. Find the autocorrelation at 0 to auto, then that is nothing but your power. Power you can find by area under PSD, or R of 0 is the power. So in our case this is very easy. We can find power by autocorrelation graph. So power is n naught by 4 RC. So we have white noise power is equal to infinite, but this colored noise power is n naught by 4C in this case. So what you got? We got here the, and this is as the colored noise we got, or this noise. So this noise is band limited. This noise is not band limited. Frequency is infinite here, and this is band limited to the band limit given by this HT, which is mod f less than or equal to b. So this comes under the linear filtering of the noise.